13 known weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn from the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area to the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. For selected watches and warnings in states affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin.